What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty, and my blog is theaskking.com. Check out my blog when you get opportunity. But in this video, I'm doing an updated video on Acorns. Okay, this is Acorns, and here's my referral link. I'll have below the video as well. But I'm gonna show you how much I made with Acorns, how much you expect, what pros and cons of Acorns, and what else can you do. So right now, I've made $3.63 on dividends. I've made $9.38 on just on found money, which is like our referral program we have here. And as you see my dividends here, dividend I do have the acorns later here. So here's present. So I've made $362.08. I am plus $10 in my market. And roundups, I have 464 roundups. All right. I'm totally invested. This is my money. This is all of my roundups. Okay, so I put in $50 in acorns. That was it. I just let it sit and let that thing build up. So basically, the roundup feature is just when you link your debit card, anything you buy, it'll run to the next dollar. So let's say you pump gas. Okay, let's say you pump gas. Let's pay your phone bill. Your phone bill is $100 and $10 and let's say $100.95. So you use debit card, you pay $100.95. So what Acorn is going to do, that 95 cents, they'll add a nickel to it to round up to $111 to the next dollar. Take that 5 cents and hold it until you get to $5. Then take that $5 and invest in the acorns for you. So for me, this is just a high yield savings account for me. So I want to withdraw. I can withdraw. No, I'm sorry. I can withdraw $362 if I want to. And this is an easy way to save money because I don't have to physically put money in the bank or slide from one account to another. It does automatically when I scan my debit card or when you pay a bill online as well. It's not just your debit card buying a coffee. It's also when you pay a bill. Like I said, you pay bills online and you pay full amounts. So let's say your car knows like 200 bucks a month and you send them $200 on the head. Let's say your car knows $180 and you send them 200 bucks on the head. Well, Acorns is going to run up to the next dollar, so it will be $201. Take the $1 and put in your account. Is that going to bother with you? Probably not. But I would definitely check that out. And check out Acorns. It's pretty good. I like it. Now, as far as investing in stocks, my portfolio is mildly aggressive. Kind of want to, invest as much as I can with my roundups, and I'm plus $10 right now. And you can see, performance details. I mean, you can see, where I was, month 3, month 6, and right now. So it's a snowball. See, Acorns is a snowball effect. Once you start from the bottom, with $111, and it goes up April and May and June and July, and goes up. You get paid dividends, and when you do dividends, they'll reinvest it for you. And then September and October, and it goes up. It goes up. It's a snowball effect. It goes up every month. And again, if I want to withdraw some money, I can withdraw $300 if I wanted to, and be there in 5 to 7 days. So if I need some extra money, I had the money. So I use this for a high yield savings account. Money if you want to. Acorns later I got a Roth IRA here. All I put in here was $75 in here. That was it. I don't want to show you how much I put in here, but if I want to draw the money, I can withdraw all of it if I wanted to. Let's see. I think I would draw just $75. Well, I knew you could withdraw. You can withdraw what you put in, but you can't withdraw your dividends in a Roth IRA. So I'm not going to fool with that right now. But yeah, it's a good app. Use my link below the video. Get a free $5 as well. And I'm going to show you the found money. So all these affiliate, this is all the stuff I bought out, Groupon's, Pizza Hut. And here's the good thing about Pizza Hut. Pizza Hut is linked to Acorns, it's linked to the Dosh app, and linked to the Pay app. So when I buy Pizza Hut, I'm getting cash back. I'm getting cash back into my Acorns account. I'm getting cash back in Dosh. I'm getting cash back on my Pay app. That's the beauty of these cashback apps, because these cashback apps all use the same stores and restaurants. So you're getting triple the amount of money back buying pizza you would buy anyway. So here's what I bought so far. Sam's Club. And they have Chevron up here as well for gas. Walmart. This is all online. Walgreens. Instacart. Here's all the brands here. A lot of stuff in here as well, if you want to go through and look for yourself. Yeah, Groupon. My favorite is Groupon, as you can tell. HelloFresh up here. And so you click on it, and it says here, if you sign up with HelloFresh, they give you $30 into your account. $30 just for signing with HelloFresh, because you won't do that anyway. All right, so yep, that's it for the review. Any comments, questions, concerns? And I still have $4.50 pending. Probably from Kroger and not Kroger. I'm sorry. From Sam's Club probably, but I still have $4.09 pending found money. It does take a while for the found money to kick in. It might take a couple of days, but I mean, it's all good. I mean, I'm getting the money one way or the other. I'm gonna get it. I don't care how fast I get it, as long as I get it. But that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching my video. Click the link below. Get the $5. Invest it. I say, look, don't complicate it. Just link to your debit card and use your debit card like you normally would. You start adding money to this thing. You start getting $30, $40, $100, $200, and you might need that money. Then you withdraw if you want to. My name is Tyler with SKing.com. Thanks for watching.